Good afternoon, this is Corey Johnson with Poage Chevrolet in Wentzville, Missouri. Just want to take a few moments to show you around our 22 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. So here from the outside you'll see some of your new features. Here you'll have your 22-inch wheels, as well as your power running boards on the outside. As you'll see, you'll have cameras all the way around the Jeep, as well as your LED lighting. Here on the inside is where we'll have all of our fun features. Everything from your memory settings for your mirror and your seats, of course your power windows and power locks. You'll have your power adjustable pedals, electric parking brake, plus your power settings for your steering column. This is equipped with many of your safety features. You'll have your adaptive cruise control, as well as your lane keep assist, your parking assist. You'll have different ride heights that are all adjustable, as well as your different drive modes. On your touchscreen system, everything will be ran through here. You do have your heated and cooled seats, plus your heated steering wheel. Right down below, you'll have all your settings for your front driver and passenger massaging seats. A little storage compartment, as well as all of your charging ports. Here in your center console, you'll have your little top spot, as well as the cold box. So this will keep your drinks ice cold. On your touch screen, we do have your different media settings for your music, Bluetooth music. You'll have your touchscreen climate controls, your navigation, and all of your other different apps that are supported by your vehicle. Up top, we have your safety mirror, and that uses the backup mirror and gives you a broader view across your screen. Up top, we will have all your settings for your moonroof, your dual panel moonroof, as well as the home link for your garage door opener. For your second and third row, the features just keep coming. We do have your rear media support system, as well as all your touchscreen climate controls for your second row. More charging ports, as well as the 115 outlet. Controls for your media system, as well as another storage compartment. We have more charging ports, as well as a power adjustable third row, as well as a third fixed panel moonroof. Here in the back, you will have your power adjustments for your second and third rows. As well as your power tailgate.